At every opportunity we had, we looked for opportunities to learn more quickly and also to spend less money. We started off with a different way to design and release these parts. We design these parts in 3D, we think about them in 3D, and we also measure them in 3D. So none of these parts or assemblies have any traditional drawings. They're all in three-dimensional space using a model-based definition system. So we were one of the first parts or pieces, but anything significant that was launched in GE appliances using this method. And another first for us was using 3D printing methodology to not print the actual parts themselves, but to print the molds in which we make the parts. Anywhere we could, we printed tools, we printed fixtures, things that we would typically machine out of metal or aluminum, taking a significant amount of time out of our development process. Traditional welding methods wouldn't be appropriate for this project. Hot plate welding, vibration welding don't allow for precise control of the axes and the internal gearing that this project necessitated. So we use plastic laser welding, and effectively these parts stay stationary relative to each other while the laser travels around the path, joining these two parts together. We used a new metrology method, laser scanning, to develop a point cloud that would help us compare digitally what this thing should have looked like and what it actually looked like, such that we could save some time on our next iteration. So in using some of these new methodologies and techniques and ways of thinking about traditional issues, we were able to cut the development time roughly by 75% and bring this invention to life at roughly 10% of the cost. A number of our tools and methodologies have been adopted across our business, including the use of 3D printing for additional molds, fixtures, and forms. We're bringing the plastic laser welding technology in-house for the rest of the business to use. And we're also developing a new department for 3D metrology across the park.